Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs and innovative thinkers. Today, we're delving into a vital component of your pitch deck, crafting a powerful problem statement. This statement is the heart of your story, setting the stage for your innovative solution and business proposition. Let's discuss how to create a problem statement that resonates and captivates. First, identify a genuine problem. It's crucial to start with a real issue your target audience faces. This problem should be specific, significant, and clearly defined. It's not just about identifying a gap, it's about understanding the nuances of that gap. Ensure your problem statement has emotional resonance. Your audience should feel the impact of this problem. Make it relatable by showing how it affects real people. This emotional connection can be incredibly persuasive, especially for investors looking for impactful investments. Back your problem statement with data. Use relevant statistics or research to lend credibility and demonstrate the magnitude of the problem. This approach shows that you're not just making assumptions, you've done your homework. Keep your problem statement clear and concise. Avoid jargon and overly complicated explanations. The goal is to ensure your audience immediately grasps the problem's significance. Here, clarity is key. Set the stage for your solution with your problem statement. It should lead naturally to the need for what you're offering, creating a sense of anticipation. Think of it as the story's opening chapter that your solution will complete. Use visuals to support your problem statement. A relevant image, chart, or graph can highlight the problem's importance. Visuals can often communicate what words alone cannot. Remember, a powerful problem statement is more than just the start of your pitch. It's an invitation for your audience to embark on a journey toward a solution. It should highlight the challenge and ignite interest in your proposed solution. Now, I'm eager to hear from you. How do you approach crafting your problem statements to capture investor attention effectively? Share your strategies or seek advice in the comments below.